Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Baquacil Metal Control. What is Baquacil Metal Control? Metal Control is great at preventing stains caused by metals in your swimming pool water. This swimming pool care chemical deactivates copper, iron, and other heavy metals that can affect water clarity and cause staining. Product benefits: chlorine-free formula, helps promote water clarity, deactivates iron, copper, and other trace metals. Usage directions: this product should not be used in pools treated with chlorine or bromine sanitizers. Initial dose: add 1 container, 1 1/4 pounds, of Baquacil Metal Control per 10,000 gallons of pool water to control up to 2 ppm of total metals present, for example, from copper and 1 ppm iron. If your pool water contains exceptionally high levels of trace metals, for example, from the use of bopper-based algicides, consult your Baquacil dealer for special dose recommendations. Maintenance dose: add 1/2 container, approximately 1/2 pound, at spring start-up per 10,000 gallons of pool water or when a significant amount of fresh makeup water is added to the pool. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.